Protecting civil liberties and people's confidence that those liberties are protected is a part of protecting national security, just as is the gathering of intelligence to defend us from those who believe it is their duty to make war on us. We have to succeed at both.
Judge McCasey, many references have already been made to the imperative need for honesty and integrity and independence in the Attorney General of the United States. Going right to the heart of the matter, are you prepared to resign if the President were to violate your advice and your view violate the Constitution of the United States on an important matter as Attorney General Elliot Richardson did in the Saturday Night Massacre?
As you and I discussed, if the President proposed to undertake a course of conduct that was in violation of the Constitution, that would present me with a difficult but not a complex problem. I would have two choices. I could either try to talk him out of it or leave. Those are the choices.
Well, if the alternative is to leave, if you can't talk him out of it, then I think the answer to my question is yes.
It is.
Okay.
Do you think that we need to close Guantanamo Bay Prison, and if so, will you recommend that to the President?
I think there are substantial problems with Guantanamo, both problems of reality and problems of perception. As to reality, it's my understanding that although people are humanely treated at Guantanamo, it's more than a matter of humane treatment. It's a matter of the fact that we're detaining people apparently without end, and that it's given us a black eye.
On more than one occasion, you've described concerns about civil liberties implications of the Patriot Act as, quote, recreational hysteria, unquote. That comment suggests to me a little bit of a troubling disregard for the seriousness of this issue. Since you first made the comment, 3 federal judges have struck down provisions of the Patriot Act as unconstitutional. Are these judges engaging in recreational hysteria, or do you think perhaps a reevaluation of your criticism might be needed?
I certainly don't think that any federal judge of whom I was aware who dealt with any issue under the Patriot Act was engaging in recreational hysteria. What I had in mind were people who used it as a shorthand for everything that terrified them, regardless of whether it was in the statute or not.